What's up? In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to look like Chris Afton from FNAF 4. Go ahead and apply your foundation already so we can get started. Because Chris and Elizabeth are both kids and brother and sister, the makeup will be the same for both of them, just with minor changes with Chris. So like before, apply some foundation and drag it to the bottom of your nose and blend it out. I know I'm gonna get some comments, or a lot, correcting me saying, it's not Chris Afton anymore, it's Evan. I just prefer to call him Chris, and I don't believe the theory that his name is actually Evan. It was 3 letters that spelt Eva, and people thought his name was Evan. It didn't connect to anything. So that's my side of the story of why I'm calling him Chris. Then go ahead and use CoverGirl pressing powder, which is what I'm using, and apply the powder to where you just applied your concealer. This will help the makeup stay in place. Be sure to powder the rest of your face too. So now I'm using a fleshy toned eyeliner. I'm squinting to outline the eye bag. And then I'm taking a pink eyeliner and filling in the eye bag itself. This is a Japanese makeup trick that helps give you a childish look. Put NYX Jumbo white eyeliner all over your eyelids so the makeup pops. I should also mention that because Chris is also a boy, we are adding no eyelashes, no mascara, and definitely no eyeliner. We want to look androgynous at least, or more like a boy. If we add feminine makeup, it'll just not work. So once again, I'm taking this light purple eyeshadow, adding it to my eyelid, and then using a light brown to define the crease. Even though there's no eyelashes or eyeliner this time around, I still want to do the same type of eyeshadow for this look.
Got the kick.
Again, the eyes are staying like this. Now to the eyebrows. So again, because Chris is a boy, you want more thicker eyebrows this time. So if your eyebrows are thin like mine, go ahead and add some darker brown eyeshadow and fill in those brows. Another thing I forgot to mention. Hopefully this is the last time I say this phrase in this video. I know it gets annoying every time I say because Chris is a boy. But because he's a boy, you also want to put foundation on your lips, or just a little, just so there's no pink in any, you don't want any color in your lips if you are cosplaying a boy. They're very similar basics for how you would want to look like a guy in his teenage years. To give myself the illusion that I actually look like a child and have a very petite nose like a child, I'm going to contour the tip of my nose into the shape of a triangle and blend it out with my fingers. Then add highlight in the center. On to the final step. I'm taking the darkest shade of blush and I'm going to drag it down to my cheek, then my chin, and my nose bridge. And I'm also going to, this time, try to do some on the forehead, because you do want to do that, but wearing a wig with bangs kind of contradicts it, because the bangs kind of cover your forehead, obviously. So even as Elizabeth, I kind of pondered over that, for lack of a better word. There is one thing I forgot to do, and it's adding a shimmery highlight into my inner corners and dragging it up. It's basically the same makeup I did as Elizabeth, but there's just a little bit of minor changes, or not that minor, but it's more masculine makeup, because you can only make yourself look so much like a child, a young child. And here are the results of my Chris Afton makeup. I look like a 12-year-old boy instead of an 8-year-old boy, but you know, when you're in your 20s, you can only make yourself look so childish with the power of makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this, and bye!